Good morning, guys. This video is going to be on Anarchy and Scratch Kitchen because I'm doing a video on repurposing kitchen equipment. Now, you may remember I did an iced coffee back in September. I had the motor for this, and here is the other cup. It's got the little handle, the top, but the motor part died about a week or two ago. Are you even surprised? I'm just getting to this 2 weeks later. I mean, seriously. But I was going to toss this. Yes, I was. I was going to toss these two and just buy a new one. I thought, wait a minute. I have an immersion blender. So guess what? This works just as well. Kind of hard to do single-handedly. But there we go. That is my cold coffee repurposing equipment. Remember, don't throw it out just because a piece broke. Reuse it. Repurpose it. And that honestly looks exactly like it used to. In this day and age, we need to start embracing the whole fix it up, wear it out mentality. And I saved myself actually $20 to $50 by doing this. Because this was about $20 at Walmart. The whole system with this was about that at Aldi's. And I saved myself $50 by doing this. I will see you guys later.